Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a detailed review of the brand new 2026 Toyota C-HR Plus. This is Toyota's refreshed subcompact crossover, and it's bringing some big updates for 2026. We're checking out the black color variant, which honestly gives this car a bold and sleek street presence. If you're considering a compact SUV with modern design, a tech-loaded interior, and hybrid power, stick around, we're covering it all. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Toyota C-HR Plus continues to push the envelope with its edgy and sculpted design. The black paint really accentuates the sharp lines and floating roof, giving it a sporty and premium vibe. Up front, you'll notice the redesigned grille, wider and more aggressive, with slim, angular LED headlights that stretch towards the fenders. Toyota's new logo placement is now flush within the grille, a small detail but adds to the futuristic look. Around the sides, the coupe-like profile remains, but the wheel arches are more pronounced now, housing 18-inch or optional 19-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim. The door handles are flush for improved aerodynamics and aesthetics. In the back, you get a roof spoiler, new boomerang-style LED tail lights, and a redesigned bumper that looks cleaner and more integrated. Overall, the C-HR Plus has matured in design, still youthful, but now with a more premium edge. Stepping inside, the 2026 C-HR Plus brings a much-needed overhaul. The cabin is now more upscale with higher quality materials and a more driver-focused layout. The black color continues inside with contrast stitching on the seats and dashboard, giving it a sophisticated yet sporty touch. The centerpiece is the all-new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, running Toyota's latest software, fast, responsive, and finally wireless for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Right behind the steering wheel, there's also a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to show NAV, media, or efficiency stats. Seats are comfortable with improved bolstering, and even the rear offers decent legroom for the segment. The C-HR Plus is no longer just about funky looks, it's actually a pleasant place to spend time. There's also ambient lighting, a wireless phone charger, USB-C ports, and even an optional JBL audio system. Under the hood, the C-HR Plus comes exclusively as a hybrid in many markets. You're getting a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Toyota's 5th-gen hybrid system. The combined output is around 194 horsepower, and the power delivery is smooth and responsive, perfect for city driving, but also confident enough for highway cruising. Fuel efficiency is a strong suit, with Toyota claiming up to 50 miles per gallon, depending on your driving habits. The handling is sharp for a crossover, thanks to a stiffer chassis and recalibrated suspension. It's no sports car, but for a daily driver, it balances comfort and control very well. There's also a new all-wheel drive option for those in colder or rainier climates, offering added grip without a major penalty on efficiency. Now, let's talk pricing. The base model of the 2026 Toyota C-HR Plus starts around $27,000, which includes a solid list of standard features like Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and that new infotainment screen. Mid-level trims push closer to $30,000 and bring extras like heated seats, upgraded wheels, and better interior finishes. The top-tier C-HR Plus XLE or limited trim can cross the $34,000 mark but includes everything from premium sound to advanced parking assist and panoramic roof options. For what you're getting, a futuristic design, strong hybrid performance, upgraded tech, and Toyota's legendary reliability, the pricing feels competitive in the subcompact SUV segment. So, that's our full review of the 2026 Toyota C-HR Plus in this stunning black finish. It's stylish, efficient, packed with tech, and a big step forward from previous C-HR models. Let me know in the comments, would you pick this over something like the Honda HR-V or the Hyundai Kona Hybrid? If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.